Okay, hello students. Welcome again to Priyanka's Notion Hub. Here also we are again here to discuss a very interesting topic of your geometry. That is, you have already learned it and know it, right? And um, we are only reintroducing a old concept, right? And it's going to be very useful in circle chapter of class 9, which is basically it's very interesting. And the concept we are discussing here is very well used in the exercise number 1 of the circle, and we are going to discuss this question also in the next video. But here also we are uh, engaging you with the or making you familiar with the very well known concept, and we are going to prove it. Okay, and what is it actually? Is that it's of a triangle, and we very well know about the median of a triangle, right? For example, if it is a triangle, for example, it is this point is A, and this point is B, and this point is C, right? I have drawn the median here. This is the median, and you already know what is the median, that this point is M, this is N, and this is O, right? Median is what? The line from the vertex to the opposite sides, which divides the opposite sides into two equal parts. Okay, this we already know. Now here, when all the medians, only three medians we can draw in a triangle, right? And the median will also intersect up in a single point, right? And this point at which all the medians get inter, intersected, right? It is termed as centroid, and here we are denoting it with T. Okay, now here the T is the centroid, and the concept we are discussing, or we can say the fundamental which we are discussing here, is that the centroid, the point T, divides each of the median in 2:1 ratio. What does it mean actually? 2:1 ratio. It means what? This point T, for example, if we are taking the AM as a median, then this point T is dividing this AM median into 2:1 ratio, right? Means this part AT is equals to twice of MT, right? And we have to prove it. We are using the same point, same concept to do the question in circle, right? And we will definitely use it and do it. I will show you, right, in the coming videos, definitely, right? But here I am discussing what that AT is the twice of empty, that we have to prove, right? We can write it like this, that 80 upon Tm, or empty you can say, is equals to 2 upon 1, or you can say 2:1. All right, this we have to prove, right? This is the meaning that the centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. Okay, and this is not for the AM only, this is for the BN also, this is for the OC also, right? This is all this fits in the for all the medians, right? Applicable for all the medians, right? And if we prove it for the AM, right, we are going to prove it for the AM right now, and it automatically gets proved for the rest of the medians. Okay, now to prove it, we have to do some construction here, and for the construction, basically we need to extend the median, that is your AM, right? Okay, now we are extending the AM from point, okay, let me, now we have to draw a line, from point M extended. We are producing the line median, right? Median AM, such that this, let this point is, for example, you can say this point is your S, right? Now, such that we have drawn this line such that this ST is equals to 80, right? We have drawn it like that, that ST is equals to 80, and we have joined the point B to S, okay? We will join the point B to S, and similarly, we will join the point C to S also, right? We are proving actually that this statement we are proving, this relation we are proving, right? And for this we have done some construction, right? And here we are getting a quadrilateral formation, right? What is a quadrilateral here? B N, right? B T, quadrilateral is what? B T C S, right? You can see it, B T C S. Now we have to prove it. It is a parallelogram, right? How can we prove it, right? For example, you can take triangle ABS, right? You very well known about the midpoint theorem. What the midpoint theorem says? It says that if the midpoint of two sides of a triangle join together, then they will be parallel to the remaining side, okay? So in triangle ABS, O is the midpoint of AB, right? We have drawn the median, and also T is the midpoint of AS, right? We have done the construction like that. Then if we join O with T, right, then we are joining the midpoints of the triangle sides. Then OT, for the midpoint theorem, OT will be equals to, sorry, OT will be parallel to BS, right? Similarly, in triangle ACS, right? In triangle ACS, NT will be parallel to CS, okay? Now, by these two, we can also say that BT will be parallel to CS because BT is a part of BN only, and also CT will be parallel to BS, okay? And by this we have proved that opposite sides are parallel. Then if the opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel, then it is a parallelogram, right? So we have proved that BTCS is a parallelogram, and all the properties of the parallelogram can be used, right? Now you can see that ST and BC are the diagonal of a parallelogram, and we very well know that parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. It means what, right? Okay, please see it carefully, right? Pay attention. That is, a TM will be equals to MS, right? Because they are bisecting each other. We know that we have to find the relation between AT and TM, right? So we can say that if TM is equals to MS, then we can say that TM is equals to half of TS, right? And we have drawn TS equals to what? 80. It means what? TM will also be equals to half of 80. And in other way, we can write it like 80 upon TM is equals to 2 upon 1. Right? We have proved the same relation, that the 80 is to TM is equals to 2:1, that the centroid divides the median into 2:1 ratio. Okay, got the concept? And it's very important concept. We are going to use it, and definitely when you are using it, you directly use it, right? You will not gone through what is happening here, how we are saying that it is 2:1 ratio. We will use it, right? First, before using it, we are proving it, right? It's not related that it will come in your exam, it will help you to get the marks. This is only the concept, right? And concept clearation is very important, right? If your concepts are clear, then definitely you can do any question, any type of a question. Okay, right. If you are having any doubt in this, please be uh, please be share to me, share and comment, do comment, right, and share this video to all of your friends. And if they recommend any type of a feedback, please comment me, right. And if you particular want to discuss some other concept or some doubt you are having, please do comment, right. Okay, thank you so much.